discuss about the facts, doubts and precautions about COVID-19 and our pets. So first of all, what is COVID-19? It is a disease that affects the human. It is caused by the coronavirus, and these coronaviruses are basically a large group of viruses that also responsible for the MERS and SARS in human beings. So does the coronavirus affects pets? So the answer is yes. One of the coronavirus that affect the pets, but it is exclusively affect the dogs. That is very fortunate. It causes gastroenteritis in the dogs, and again a very fortunate part that it does not spread in the humans. So why to take precautions? Some positive cases of COVID-19 has been reported across the world. It is the report of the US Center of Disease Control. Another positive case was reported in a tiger at zoo in the US. All these cases have had very mild symptoms, and in all these cases the contact history with the corona positive persons was finding. These animals had very mild symptoms. Although the reports are very few, but precautions must be taken. So what are the safety guidelines for the pets and the pet owners? You can see here, if a person is positive for the coronavirus in a home, so it is advised to restrict the interaction of those persons with your pet. Avoid the direct contact with the pets, including petting, snuggling, kissing, sharing of the food, water and beddings. If possible, a household member should be designated to care for the pets in the home. He should follow all the standard hand washing and sanitation practices before and after interacting, cleaning and feeding of the pets, and at least 60% alcohol should be there in a sanitizer. Now what care has to be taken for the sick pet? Beware about the fitness of your pet. Assure the proper cleaning, bathing, watering and feeding. Keep yourself attentive regarding any illness, especially when any person in the home is positive for the COVID-19 or kept in home isolation. If any illness you are reporting in your pet, contact to your vet and ask for the remedial measures and primary treatment at home. Don't bring your pet to the vet hospital prior to intimation to the hospital. Do not bring your pet to the public places like park, human hospitals, marketplaces or gathering. Do not let the pet interact with the people or the other animal outside the house. Even do not allow to touch your pets and maintain at least 6 feet distance. If in unavoidable instances happens, clean your pet using any medicated dog shampoo or use the soap to clean your pet. And before that, always wear the mask, full hand gloves and aprons while cleaning of your pet. After doing this, please take a shower and dip all the cloths into a water with detergent. Disinfect the kennels, bowls, toys, bedding materials and other animal care items regularly. When to talk your vet compulsorily? When your dog is showing the symptoms of fever, coughing, dyspnea, lethargy, sneezing, runny nose or eye discharge, you must contact with your doctor. So be safe, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.